Welcome to Sunshine Art and Drawing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do deeper skin tones in colour pencil with the beautiful Moana. So first of all, I want to show you this paper that I did showing different colours of pencil and how you can combine them to create deeper skin tones. Here I use some reds and oranges to simulate the kind of pink colour in the skin, and then some deeper ashy sort of browns to create the shadows, and then I picked a rich brown colour to do the sort of main part of the skin. And here I'm just showing you how I did the shadow with the darker colour, and then used a lighter brown to do a highlight, and then in the centre used the richer brown to do the sort of the blood colour of the skin, or the red part of the skin. And then once you've done those three, you can use just a regular kind of brown to do the blending, to blend them all together. So when you do that, you kind of end up with it having a highlight on one side and the shadow on the other, which gives it sort of a cylinder shape, which is what we're going to be going for, because I'm going to be doing the legs first. So I'm just sort of showing you how that works. So as you work on the legs, I'd say to start off quite lightly. So just gently put in a light layer of where you want each of the colours. So here I'm doing a light layer of a little bit of the browns and the reds to create the sort of deep skin tone that I want, and then I'm using the darker brown to do the shadow on the back of the leg and underneath the skirt, as you can see here, and along the bottom of the foot where the foot's touching the ground. So that shows the sort of the shadow from, if you imagine the light is coming from the top left of the image, then it would show the shadow sort of down towards the bottom right of all of the parts of the body. That's the easiest kind of way to remember. The shadow is always opposite. And I'm just showing you how it all kind of blends together. If you add a little bit at a time and then be very gentle and sort of blend it all together slowly, and then the very last step to do is to put in a bit of highlight in the sort of areas where you've left it quite light, which I'm going to be doing in kind of a light tan brown. I'll put the materials that I use in the description, so if you're wondering what pencils I'm using, I'll put that all down in the description. But you can pretty much do this for any skin tones. I want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers. We're near 400 subscribers now. I want to do a bit of a celebration when we hit 500, so if you have any ideas, let me know and I'll definitely be up for that. I hope you guys all have a really great day ahead and a wonderful rest of the week. Definitely get out there, have a sunshiny day. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.